ships. They came as frequency, not to fight, but to whisper. And their code was Woo! They scanned my soul, not just my mind. Saw shadows in the corners and gently reached inside. They said, human, you're quite mad, but also kinda bright. Your love is like a transmitter, we've heard you through the night. That's the sound of light, when your third eye ignites. They dance across your field, with codes no logic ever healed. They tickle your whole being, soon you'll start perceiving. Galactic, wild and real, this is how it feels when someone heals. They wore no helmets, just humor and light in their eyes. They said, spirituality, just a cosmic disguise. Remember you were here before, in mists of Orion blue. You're not an earthling with old fears, you're stardust flowing through. Wait, worm, when your mind dissolves and truth through your heart evolves. Their language feels like sound, not meant for thought, but soul profound. The mantra of this age, you're in a cosmic stage. You dance, you laugh, you feel the frequency that helps you heal. We are not strangers, we are what you forgot. We are the smile in your sorrow, the light you've always got. Woom, woom, woom. You're more than you believe, a galactic guess indeed. Your heart begins to glow,